Click the link below to schedule a test drive.
It's a 2015 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This C-Class is ready and waiting to reward you with finely tuned responses no matter which road you choose. Standard agility control suspension allows you to recalibrate to the road surface for a smoother ride. Attention assist will keep your attention where it needs to be. And with adaptive braking technology for a quicker response, you'll feel safe and secure racing around every corner. You'll love the extra-large panorama sunroof, Harman Kardon sound system, and M-Brace technology. The Burmester audio system gives you a rich listening experience. The premium package gives this vehicle that extra touch of class and luxury. See objects previously out of sight with the rear-view camera. Poised for performance. Come take this C-Class for a spin today.
Come experience luxury the Germain way at Mercedes-Benz of Easton, conveniently located at Easton Town Center.